In this clip, we'll look at the slide sheet functionality in WellSeeker Pro. So in this case, we've got a database structure in place from operator, field, facility, well, and we have an actual well bore in place. In order to have a slide sheet, you need to associate that slide sheet with a survey and also a BHA. So first of all, at this actual well, I'm going to insert new survey. It's going to be the top hole surveys and apply. We now open the top hole surveys. Once we've got the survey open, you'll see that the slide sheet icons are now selectable from both the toolbar and the WellSeeker toolbar. You can also right click at the survey level and go reporting, slide sheet. You'll see currently this slide sheet is grey, and that is because we don't have a BHA available. We can select add BHA. It's created a new BHA within the database, and now we have a slide sheet associated with a survey and a BHA. Going through the options, save, print slide report, edit to undo and redo any changes, view so we can select and deselect various different items that we see in the column order. We can change the font size. We can change the slide sheet column order. So as well as get rid of certain columns, we can change the order that they're displayed. Within settings, we've got slide input method. So in this case, currently we've got course length selected, where we put in the start depth, a closure length, and it automatically calculates the end. If I input start and end depth, then I put in the end depth and it calculates the closure length. We also can select between international and US date style formats. And in tools, we've got motor yields. So when we have sliding data input, this will give you a report layout, the tabulated data that shows you your motor yields that you've got for your particular slide data input. So in order to input data into the slide sheet, first of all, select the relevant column and input the data. We'll say we started at midday, ended at 12:30, start depth 0, closure length 90 feet, and we rotated. And you'll see here, because in my settings I've got auto calculate ROP selected, it's calculated my ROP. You can input also your various different parameters. On the next row, we can input the next line of drilling data. In this case, we'll input a slide. So you'll see here we have a drop-down option, slide or rotate. And when you select slide, it's color-coded. So they'll be highlighted in blue, rotates in white. You can also select the tool face type and input the tool faces, depending on your columns that you've got displayed. You'll also see here, because in settings I had copy drilling parameters to new line, it pulls in the drilling parameters that we input for line 1 into line 2 when we've created a new line. This just saves duplication, but can still be manually edited. So this is how we build up a slide sheet, row by row, and can adjust all the various different column orders for display. If we want to print it, we go File, Print Slide Sheet, and it prints a Microsoft Excel document in this format.